Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Yamaha FJ09 Adventure Sport Touring Bike. Triple cylinder, 854 cc's, fuel injection, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful condition. It's got ABS brakes, center stand, locking side cases, top case. It's got a tall windscreen. Come on by, make your FJ09 dreams come true for just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.